welcome back to my channel. So hopefully y'all missed me. So today I got like a little special guest for y'all. Like y'all may not know her on my channel, but we got Kennedy. So this is my roommate, teammate, all that. Like she do the hurdles and track and everything, and she fast. Kennedy, I'm a junior here at Baylor. My major is HKLS pre-nursing, same as me. I'm from Houston. Yeah, we live like literally. We live like 10 minutes. Like 5-10 minutes away from each other. And like we knew each other in high school, but we didn't really know each other. Yeah, like it was crazy. Like she came, cause I remember
it was from summer track.
You didn't tell me, or some. Basically, the whole track team knew like somebody named Tamar was coming to the team, but like. And in my head, I was like, Tamar, like, bro, I know who this girl is. Like, I know who Tamar is. And then she came to the practice. We had stadiums, which I felt bad for her because, stadium practices are, like, they're terrible. Like, especially freshman year. Oh, they were terrible. So I was like, dang, she's coming the day we have stadiums. Like, she's about to die. But I seen her. She came with her red hair, which is real cute. I couldn't pull it off, but she can. And she came. And it was just weird because
we knew each other, but we didn't.
Yeah,
like, it was just weird. Story. I was like, "Hey, I know her."
Yeah, like she came up, she was like, "Hey, I know you. You went to Wood, or whatever." I was like, "Yeah." So like,
bro, it was weird.
But anywho, so what we finna do? We on our way to Popeyes because we finna try this chicken sandwich that everybody talking about. Finna see if it's good. I feel like it's gonna be. I don't know. I just feel like Chick-fil-A is just better. I feel like Popeyes isn't. I feel like you just have to have a taste for it, you know?
We made it to Popeyes. I don't see no sign nowhere. Hold on.
Okay, so we made it to Popeyes. And I mean, the line ain't that long, but people keep getting out of line. I'm trying to figure out why. Is there no more sandwiches? Oh, well, shit. Think about how many chickens have to die, bro. Like,
that's crazy. But I really think they came more prepared.
But still, I be wanting to go, like, vegan or something. Vegan? Yeah. Sometimes I think about it, cause I just be feeling bad for like the chickens. They gotta kill all
chickens.
You be
what
seeing
do they got for the
you
circle
see those
of
trucks, those big old trucks that be having. Every time I see them, I be like,
you ain't gonna get to eat baked chicken.
That is fine.
That's not fine.
That is fine. Okay. It's not fine. I'm just saying it, but I feel like if I was really dedicated, I could do it. You know. What does the chicken sandwich combo come with?
Okay.
Can I get the spicy chicken sandwich, just the sandwich? Okay. And can y'all put extra sauce on it?
I want the classic combo chicken sandwich.
Can I get the classic combo chicken sandwich?
Okay, y'all. We got the chicken sandwich. Hey, bro, this better be good.
I got the spicy one. Yes,
Demetra! Come here. No, but come say hey to my YouTube. Okay. You see how big it is? I'm scared of it. I think it was gonna be like, y'all, it's huge. I mean, how big this look? Like, how big is this? It don't look like it's all that. Okay, ready? I mean,
it honestly doesn't taste different than the chicken, but it's good. I like it.
I don't see the hype. Oh my god. Everybody likes it, but I don't see nothing with it. Maybe I don't have a lot of sauce. Is it the sauce I don't have? I don't know. It don't taste like nothing.
It doesn't, but I can get it again.
Hey sis.
I tried it.
Yeah, it's alright.
It's alright.
You tried it before?
Yeah, it tastes like,
it don't taste like nothing. Y'all, this is my other roommate, Sydney.
Hey guys.
She tried this already.
Channel.
She tried this already. Did you like it though?
It's okay.
I don't know.
Nice bomb though.
I don't. On a scale of 1 to 10, I give this a 5. I don't know why everybody talking about that. This is.
I would give it a 7. I don't know why. Like I feel like this is just really good. I don't know if I just haven't had Popeyes in forever.
I don't
Really
taste
good.
it.
Maybe because you got the range. You should have spicy.
I don't know, bro. Like this don't taste like nothing. Y'all.
We're gonna get y'all a story time. Oh, let me tell y'all. This is the first incident. Okay. I'm not gonna say where we live at. Not gonna say the apartment. I should I? First incident. Okay, not the first one. It was probably like we've been for a month and a half.
Mhm.
We've been there for
Like a
month and a half, and it was like what 1 o'clock. It was like 1
It was
a.m.
late.
It was like 1 a.m. Don't ask us why we were up. We were just up, and
I was in my room using our room.
yeah,
Everybody was going to sleep.
Yeah, we were like, I was in the bed, like laying down. I had my fan on, everything, because I have an additional fan in my room, right? And I was in the bed, and next thing you know, like I set my phone down and I was out. Like, I was asleep, but I was falling asleep. Like my eyes were closed, like I was gonna go to sleep. Next thing you know, my ceiling fan stopped spinning and my
Everything
fan
just
off, my phone
went
stopped
off.
charging.
Yeah,
I was
my
like,
TV went off.
I just
too.
thought I was tripping, so I was like, what? So I turned it off, tried to turn it back on. I was like, and then it came back on, right?
And then
So,
it went back on.
Yeah, it came back on for a second. So I was like, okay. So I lay back down, and as soon as I lay back down, it goes off again. And I was like, what? So I got up because
You came out. I was already out here too.
yeah, this is my second year living here. So last year we didn't have problems like this. I'm like, okay. But last year my power would go out of my room and no one else's would go out. And I just had to come flip the switch. So I was like, let me just go flip the switch. So I came over to the little power box, whatever you call it. And I came and I flipped. I just went and flipped all of them, and none of them were working at all. And so when none of them were working, I was like, what the heck? So then Tamar came out of her room.
I was already out before you. I was over here.
No, that was the second time. I came out one time.
Oh.
Then I went back to my room, came back out, and Tamar was out here.
I was fooling with the switch, trying to make everything come out. I was on the phone. Did I call my mom?
No, you had waited. You didn't call her till you came back. No, you didn't. You called her trying to figure out what you should do.
I called her work. Yeah, I did.
But
bro, I thought it was, bro. I was like, God, is this it? Like,
we didn't know what was going on. So basically, after that, we were just trying to figure out, like, okay, like the lights is out, like none of the lights were turning on, like this light, the lights we had on weren't on. So then
I stopped the apartment.
when I saw the apartment,
The street lights.
and I noticed like they had like the emergency lights on. They weren't the regular lights, so I was like, okay, the lights must be out.
Yeah.
So I went and ran down the hallway, and there was some dude. He was like looking outside, like
You
and I
couldn't
was
see
like,
him. Oh, you talking about beneath us?
I went over there. You weren't there. I had went this way. I went myself first.
You went outside by yourself? I don't know why I don't remember that.
That was the first time I went outside, and then I was like, no, you were there. It was that dude down there.
Oh, we went outside together.
Yeah, we walked down there, and then we were.
But we barely could see anybody.
We
It
were
was
like
pitch black.
We were like, it was down the hallway though. It was right there. Like you know where Dylan lives? It's like right there. So we were like, I was like, are your lights out too? And he was like, yeah, everything's out. And I was like, okay, everybody's stuff has to be out.
Yeah.
So then I was texting my friend Alyssa, and she was like, yeah, my stuff, ours is out too, whatever. And I was like, okay, like everything must be out. And I was just like, what the heck? Like I need.
It was scary. I ain't
I
gonna
need
lie.
a fan. Like I needed something. I couldn't.
You
go
worried
back to
about a
sleep.
fan. I'm worried about what's going on.
It was hot. It was hot. I was just pissed off. So then we just started. My other roommate, Demetra, she in her room. I don't know why she being bougie, acting like she can't come out. She knows she can hear me. But watch her come out in a little bit.
Demetra. Yes. Come out real quick.
Okay.
Okay.
Anyway, did I have my bonnet on too?
No. Well, you took it out. Demetra had hers.
Demetra had her bonnet on.
No, I woke Demetra up. I said,
Oh, yeah, we not.
I said,
You
Demetra,
were mad.
lights out.
But
She's like, Tamar, why do you wake me up for that?
I was like, let's go see what's going on. They were like, dude, you want to go outside? I was like, because you know I'm a daredevil. I'll go do what I got to do. And so, you know, they're going to follow. They follow me. And we all went. What was it? The first time we went, we heard. No, we didn't hear. We didn't hear. We just went. We just saw like everything was out.
No, oh, we saw, it was a whole bunch of cops here.
Yeah, but it was a whole bunch of cops. We were like, okay, what's going on? And then we came back. And then Demetri came with us. Demetri didn't come with us the first time. Then Demetri came with us the second time. And we saw all the cops and stuff. And
We
then
heard a little pow.
we heard like pop, pop,
At
pop.
first we thought it was gunshots, but it wasn't.
But we thought it was gunshots, so we started running back. Tamar took off, bro.
Video, no,
She gonna insert. She gonna insert the clip of us running.
Tamar.
That was so funny. And I couldn't open it. I
She
think I
couldn't open the door. So we was like, Tamar, come on. Because we thought the power went out and like our keys are like, the like automatic, not automatic, but like.
The way the keys are, like, you put it in, it's like electronic.
So we thought we were gonna, it wasn't gonna work.
Yeah.
And so we were just, that night was just.
How long were we last out? It was out for like
2 hours.
I think it was 1, 3, 4, bro. I don't know.
Probably like 4. So the next morning came, right? Nothing happened. Like they didn't say what happened. No, they didn't say what happened
They didn't
till
say nothing.
the next day after that.
I didn't even know they said anything, period.
Oh yeah, they sent a thing where like was like a transformer blew out or something.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Other incidents that happened. The shooting.
Oh.
This happened last week.
It was a shooting at the apartments across the
Literally,
street.
if we could take the camera and show you, it's literally right there. Like
Yeah.
it's right there.
Wait, no. It was a Halloween party, that's all I
It
know.
was
I think
Halloween night. Because Halloween was on a Thursday.
it was on, okay, it happened the day after Halloween. And so, like, everybody was in their rooms. Once again, I'm in my bed, chilling, watching TV. And I heard like 7 pow pow pows or something like that. So I'm like, bro, what? I thought it was somebody that's outside, not outside the window, but.
I was literally on the toilet peeing. I was peeing, and I'm like, the people above us be making like a lot of noise. But it was like, pop, 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 and I was like, bro, what are they doing?
Yeah.
Then I heard my roommate tell her like, oh, what was that? What was that? I came out, and I was like, what's going on? They're like, it was gunshots, blah, blah, blah. So me and my roommate Demetri, what were you doing at Tamar? Whenever we was out on the balcony, oh, Tamar was just in her room.
I was looking at the window
Yeah, she
outside
was
my
looking at the
room.
window outside her room, and me and Demetri went outside on the balcony, and we were like, watch, the cops finna show up.
Bro,
Next
the
thing you
cops
know,
came
one
so
cop,
fast.
2 cops, like they was coming quick.
Yeah.
All you see is people dipping out of the apartment. Like all the cars just leaving.
Some of them came here too.
Like when I say running, like they need to be put on the track team. They need to go somewhere because they were sprinting.
We're gonna
over
insert
here.
another video for that too.
They were sprinting over here. So we like, why are they coming up here? Like, what's going on? So they doing all that running. People like when I tell you, it was probably about 50, 60 cars just darting out. Like it just kept coming. I didn't think it was that many cars. Like I feel like people that everyone was just leaving, where like people were just everybody was leaving. Moral of the story.
It was a lie, honestly.
Turns out one person died, but it sucks because he had like what, a 6.
It was a dude or why I thought it was a female.
Somebody with like a newborn baby, basically.
I think it was, I don't know.
And
Anywho, so y'all, we got so many stories. Not stories, but like our workouts.
freshman year.
Kennedy,
or sophomore.
when I first came, I
So I was
was,
a freshman.
yes, I transferred. She was a freshman. Oh my gosh,
When I
like,
tell y'all, I gained so much weight my freshman year.
I can chat.
you're gonna talk to me too, even though you can't see me.
But freshman year,
Workouts.
we had about the 600, right?
Oh,
We had around 600.
the minute runs, bro. But the 600s, they wasn't, honestly, because we had the minute runs, it wasn't that bad.
Yes, they were.
No, they was hard, but because we did a bunch of minute runs and conditioning. Oh no, the 600s on the field. That's what you're talking about. The one we dying on. I was thinking about the one on the track.
Let's talk about the minute runs first. We had minute runs, right?
Mm-hmm.
Basically, when he says you have minute runs, you're still supposed to like try in a sense. Like you're not supposed to just go out there and just be trying. Like you're not supposed to be you're not supposed to be trying, right? I don't know what was going through my head, but I was like, okay, Tamar, let's go. We was just. We see everybody else arms and they say. In my head, everybody was doing that whole like.
Kennedy was my dying partner, and then the next year, she got 10 times better. So.
No.
Well, no. Okay.
I got better. I can tell you that. It was better.
Conditioning, you was my dying partner.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, for sure. We used to die together.
Well, yeah, last year I was better. Freshman year was just like freshman year I couldn't.
But we were still dying last year at the beginning. At the beginning, we were still when we had the miles around the stadium in the mornings.
Yeah, we would have to run from the track. It's like a long strip. Then you go up over this bridge. It's a big old, if you know Baylor, you know it's like a big old bridge. You go over the bridge, back over it. Then the football stadium, you go around that. Then you go back to that trail and go all the way back to the track.
Bro, the miles were hard.
And I'm like, this is
and we didn't even know when we had it. He was like, all right, we'll do our warm up and do some strides. Like, all right, everybody go.
Yeah, that's why I like.
I really think it could be the location. Or maybe we just didn't eat it right when we got it.
Was it cold? It's good.
Or maybe because you got extra sauce. Okay. Maybe one day y'all get to meet Demetria.
Oh, if you call me to go to Popeyes, I would have been ready, fully prepared.
Okay, y'all, so don't ask why we switched spots. I should have said here. Y'all see the difference in my hair? Don't it look better? See, I was looking a hot mess throughout the video. But anywho, so that concludes my video. Popeyes, no, sorry. I'm going to try it again, maybe at a different location. Maybe when I go back to Houston, when they care about their food. I don't know what that location was doing. But
the sandwich was the sandwich was able and already the 10. I'm not even gonna lie, it's better than Chick-fil-A. The Popeyes chicken sandwich is better than the Chick-fil-A chicken sandwich. But I like the Chick-fil-A strips better.
But yeah, y'all, thanks for watching our video. You can follow Kennedy Bailey on her social medias, which are...
You gonna put them right here.
Oh, okay. I guess I'll
She gonna put them right here.
Right here.
My Instagram is your girl Kim. My Twitter is Kennedy Bailey 22, and my Snapchat is Kennedy Bailey 22. I don't have a YouTube.
Okay.
Demetria? Never mind. You're not gonna say words because you're not in the video.
Yeah. We'll get her next time. But yeah, thank y'all for watching. If you like this video, make sure you like.
Let me do it. Make sure you like, you comment, and click that subscribe button on the right. Click that little subscribe button so you can.
It's down there, Kennedy.
So you can get an alert every time she posts a new video.
Mm-hmm.
Thanks.
Bye.